How to free up storage on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now for this tutorial I'm using the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should work on Google Pixel 8 and most other Google Pixel phones. So to start off, first go to the settings, then in the settings search for storage. So click on storage and then click on free up space. Now here you will see all the files, videos and photos that are taking up space on your device. So you can start off with the downloads, and then you can delete some of the files that you don't need. So you can just move it to trash. And you can also go to see all. This will show you all the files, and it will show you how much storage each video or file or image is taking. So if you want to delete a video, just hold on it and then go to the three dots and then click on move to trash here. Now I would also recommend to turn on the smart storage. So click on the three dashes and then click on settings. And then you can turn on smart storage. So basically this will delete media from your device that are already backed up on your Google Photos. So this feature will automatically delete media on your device that are already backed up on Google Photos and that's been on your device for over 60 days. So you can just turn it on just by this option, clicking this option, and then click on OK. And now it will automatically delete stuff that you already have a backup on Google Photos. And that's how to clean up storage on your Google Pixel phone. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.